One of the things I immediately liked about this wagon was you can move it around with the cover still on it while it's collapsed, because the cover actually attaches to the wagon itself. When you're ready to use it, you just undo these straps and you can pull the cover right off. Then unfolding is very simple. It's got a Velcro strap that goes around it, and once that's off, all you have to do is just literally expand it out and then put your hard panel in the bottom. Really all there is to it. There was zero assembly required. It came right out of the pack ready to go. Now, rather than let that strap just hang there and drag the ground, I tucked it away up here. The handle can be adjusted to different lengths too, as you see here. Now there's a clip on the cart itself to store the handle, and you can just pull it out and unclip it when you're ready to use it and put it back when you're not. Now you can see the cover attaches to the frame, and you could take it off to wash it if you needed to. The wheels are very rugged. I have to say, these are like a hard plastic rubberized wheel. They're not the wheels you might find on a child's toy or something. They're really meant to last. Obviously, I haven't pulled it through sand yet, so I couldn't tell you how easy that was, but they are wide, and it does look like they would go through sand pretty easy. I can tell you, though, they should be durable on any surface. Recollapse the wagon is simple. You tilt it up on the end and literally bump the bottom middle here, and it will easily collapse. And you can still drag it around while it's collapsed by the handle on top, which is nice because if you're traveling to the beach, you may want to go to your hotel room before you actually go to the beach, and this may be actually part of your luggage.